Today we're making graduation cupcakes because apparently adulthood starts now. And honestly, it's got real. Bills, taxes, back pain. Congratulations, class of 2026. So let's make some poo cupcakes. And let me know in the comments, what class are you? And do you have somebody graduating this year? Okay, to get started, I'm using 1 box of milk chocolate cake mix. So we're just going to dump our batter into a bowl. And I like to do this a little bit differently. I like to add an extra egg and substitute the water for 1 cup of milk. And instead of the oil, I like to use a 1/2 cup of melted butter. So let's get all this in here and mix it up. Okay, while our cupcakes are cooling, I've got this whipped chocolate icing. It's going to be delicious. So we're going to get our icing ready in a piping bag. I'm all out of my favorite piping bags, but I'll link them below. But a Ziploc bag will work just as well. Little hack is to put it in a cup to make things easier. Push it all the way down, and then just start scooping your frosting in. these little candy eyeballs from Amazon. I'll link them below. I use them for everything. Halloween, Christmas, and now our Pooey cupcakes. I think I'm going to use the middle eyeballs. Well, the cupcakes are done. Adulthood is terrifying, and the frosting somehow ended up everywhere. Honestly, that feels pretty accurate. If you enjoyed hanging out with me today, make sure to like, subscribe, and come back for more cozy cooking and budget meals and chaotic baking. And to the class of 2026, good luck out there and congratulations.